Hey everyone, this is Ali, International LT Truck 625 2018 Cummins truck, Cummins engine X15. Today I'm going to show you how to remove this cover, the side cover. Of course, it's three pieces, bumper is three pieces. So how to remove this side cover here, the passenger side. It's really simple, easy. You need a 10 millimeter socket. This, you can use a drill, 10 millimeter. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is 7, 8. Let me zoom in. 9, and there is 1 right there. 10. So it's really easy. Use that 10 millimeter socket. Loose them. On this side here, I already loosed mine, and I have the screws all in my pocket. It's really simple. These are the screws, of course. I have some more in my pocket. And then just, just start, take it out. Let me show you how. Just take it. Easy. Don't break your covers or nothing. Oh, forgot one bolt in there. Okay. Take that off. Show you quick. So there's a clips, goes in here. Take them first, and then the whole thing will come up, the whole side. So I'm fixing to put that there now. Same process. I'm sorry. So let's do that. Same process. Do that first. Let me bring the camera here so you can see that. It's really simple. If you go to the dealer or anywhere, they will charge you like 2 hours. Just put the clips in its spot. Push it. Nice. Of course, it's like you have the side of this cover. It has to cover the inside cover. So to be tight, Start from the bottom there. So that's how right way, I think. Now, all good. And it's a place. Fixing to put the bolts. My chocolate. There you go. Put that bolt in there. If you see that. Put all the bolts. Okay. And don't just tighten them right away, no. Take this easy and don't tighten them all at the same time. Just put one at a time. Okay. Just put one at a time. And just tighten a little bit. Because you will have to adjust it. It's really simple. It will not take you about 15 minutes. Down here now, it's the time for the bottom one. Okay, let's go to the bottom. There you go. You see that? See that clip? Should go in there. Okay. Just put the ball. Don't get stuck in one place. If it's not going, just keep going. Put the rest and come back. Okay. I have to push. It will come straight. No problem. Sorry about that, guys. I'll come later. But yeah, and now just tied them. yeah, just tied them. Gotta go get my tied them really good, and at the same time watch your sides, watch your front, make sure it's not, you know, it's not like out of line, you know. Get your impact drill, put that socket in there. That position, slow. Make sure slow. Don't go deep. Make sure you, because you will have, so because you will have to adjust all this. Don't do it fast. Make sure your front looks good. Easy. And then just make sure you cover on the right line. Okay. Right. Now you see, we got that. Let's go at the bottom. Right there. That's gonna be, we have to use the wrench. Shear lock. The way that support. Just go and make sure also you're level here. Same time, okay? Don't want to tight and then you have to come reopen it, you know. Right, let's get this tool here in place. Once you start tighten, you know. Now let's see if it will fit or not. Screw, guys. Just leave it at that. I don't want to make the video so long. Yeah, they break easy. Come on, you. All right, guys. And that's done. You know, just need to tie some the upper ones, and we are done. All right, guys, if you like this video, if you like the video, please subscribe and like, and y'all have a good one, and just stay safe on the road. We'll see y'all later. Bye.